Alright, you guys, welcome back. So, got another customer's complaint. This is a 2013 Acura RDX. And this customer's complaint is check-in report, passenger side keyless access sensor is not working, nor is the lock button on the door handle. So, funny thing is, when I drove the car in, they don't mention anything about the you see the warning on the dash already? That guy? And the check keyless access system. They mentioned about the door handle doesn't work. I guarantee you that light has been on for a long time, and I guess they just realized that now. But their complaint is that the grab handle on the door doesn't unlock the door, and then the button doesn't do anything. Let me show you. I'll have the key in my pocket and I'll show you. So this side works, right? Unlocks, locks, right? Let's go to the other side. This side, you grab the handle, nothing on the button. So I'm gonna scan it for codes. Yeah, brake light's good. I got the Zeus hooked up. What I am seeing is front passenger door antenna circuit open. So that would cause the light on the dash to come on and not detect the key on the passenger side. Also got a bunch of other codes, lost communication, passenger door. Yeah, I see the one that stands out the most is the front passenger door antenna circuit open. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I looked at the shop manual. So from 13 to 15, the antenna is on the door handle. But I think after that, beyond that, there's a separate antenna, and it's not part of the door handle, that goes onto the door, right over there. It's supposed to bolt onto the door. But this one is 13, so this one should have the antenna in the handle itself. So we're just gonna do a simple check. I'm gonna take the door panel off. Who knows? This car might be in a body shop recently or something, or maybe it might be a long time. I don't know. And it's just simply disconnected, or we have broken wire somewhere. Who knows, right? So I'm gonna take the door panel off, and then I'm gonna see just visual inspection to see that door handle connector is okay. All right, so we're on the passenger side here. We're gonna have to take this out. I think it's just clipped in, and then there should be a connector. Yeah, see if I can just pop it out by hand. Yeah, simply. And then there's a connector for that little tweeter there. Okay, where are we? Okay, so this thing, there's a little cover. Most likely there's screws back there. Usually these handles, they like to hide screws because this handle, it's a grab handle, so most likely there's a screw in there. This thing probably pops off. Yeah, see? You can already see it. I'm gonna pop this off. I'm looking at the door and everything, see if it's been like painted or something, like something's been done. There's a VIN number here, 1560. Is it the same VIN number? Is it matching VIN number? Oh yeah, it is. Matching VIN numbers for this car. So let me just take this plastic cover off. So yeah, there's two screws behind that cover, right? There's a screw behind the cover that was here for the door handle, and then there's another screw back there, and this door panel should just pop right off. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. And then you gotta, I think this handle has to come off of the door panel. Just push it in and it'll slide out. And let me grab the door panel off of it and disconnect the connector that's in here for whatever stuff is here. Okay, now with the door panel off, I can already tell the seal's being kind of compromised, right? Because somebody has peeled this back already. You can see. I don't. Can you see anything in there? No. pull back. Huh. So there's the connector for the door handle. But where's the other end of the connector? I gotta plug it back in and roll up the window, see where that other side of that connector is. I don't see it. Oh, this thing's falling off. Okay, let me roll up this window and then I'm gonna see where that other side of that connector for the door handle is. So I'm like looking around, I'm trying to find that connector for this guy. I'm like, where the hell is it? And I'm like, oh, there. And then I finally found it. It went all the way down there. But just looking around, you can see all these scratches and everything on the door, like here. Like, I wonder if this thing being into a body shop and they were just fixing this door. How does the do I see any dents on the inside? You know, sometimes they bondo the door, and then, you know, it looks good on the outside, but once you take the door panel off, it's all like, you know, all dent up inside. But yeah, well, I don't see anything other than just a bunch of scratches here. This rivet's been pulled up, or it's not a rivet, but it's a spot weld. Anything else I notice? Yeah, just like some scratches there. I gotta get that clip off later before I put the door panel back on. Has this thing been painted? You can kind of see orange peel. That is, yeah, I can't tell. There's a scuff down there. Yeah, I can't really tell if it's being painted or something, or being in a body shop or something. Yeah, anyways. So how this connector is supposed to go is it comes right up. It clicks into there. You can see, I don't know if you can see it. So it clicks into there. And then now, that's how that goes. And that should fix our door handle issue. Is that broken? No, that's not broken. So yeah, it's just unplugged for some reason. I don't know how it was unplugged, but somebody's been in here. You can tell because this vapor barrier has been compromised. Yeah, anyways, quick video. So how I can tell somebody's been in here, because they lost the plug. And they also ripped the vapor barrier trying to get it off. So definitely someone's been in here trying to reseal this vapor barrier back. Make sure everything's all nice and tight and all sealed up. And yeah. Okay, so I got the whole door panel back on. Now to double check and make sure everything works. Button works. Yeah, unlocks. And it locks, so that's good. Now I just gotta clear out all the codes in the computer. Oh man, I look at history. There's no history from us. And I don't know what they're doing. I don't know if it's a body shop, or, you know, maybe they replaced a door lock actuator and, you know, didn't plug stuff back in. I don't know. Maybe they replaced that door handle. I don't know, for the same issue. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna clear all codes. Before continuing, your key is on, engine off. Continue. Yeah. So, anyways, that's it for that video. No, I surprised, like, well, I'm actually not surprised, but, you know, these are the guys, these are some of the people who work on your cars. I guess they, even though you leave it disconnected and you have a warning light on the dash, they still let it go. I don't know. Some people, right? But yeah, anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.